Hi, I'm Brittany, one of the knitting instructors here at Jimmy Beans Wool, and I'm going to teach you the first block of the Cascade Knitterati kit. Today we're going to learn how to knit through the back loop, do the 4-stitch cable to the right side, and also how to do the holding the yarn in back and the front in order to make slip stitches. For this first block, we're going to be using our Cascade 220 Superwash Merino in the color 57 Sweet Pea. I'm going to be using the Knitter's Pride bamboo needles, and they are a US size 7 on a 24-inch cord. And you will also need a cable needle, so I'm also using a Knitter's Pride Dreams cable needle. Here we go. I did cut down this project just so you can see the swatch a little bit more, so you can see that our right slanting cables on each side, and you also see the slip stitches. And those are the little lines across each part. Okay. And we'll start with row 1. And for this, I just want to let you know that I did, because it's cut down, we're going to be taking out the repeats, which would make it longer. Okay. So row 1, you'll do a slip with yarn and back. And for this project, the pattern does state to slip with a purl stitch. So you'll be slipping it purlwise. So with holding our yarn in back, we will slip it purlwise. And then we will purl 3. Knit 4. Okay, and then purl 1 and knit 12. Purl 1, knit 4, purl 3, and on our last stitch, it's a knit through the back loop. So this is a new one, and instead of knitting this way like you do normally, you're going to knit through this back loop here. So go ahead and knit through the back loop. This gives the stitch a nice twist to it, and they're using it as a border right here. Then we're going to turn our work, and we are ready for row 2. And it wants us to slip with the yarn in front, and it's already in front for us. So slip purlwise and knit 3. Purl 4. And now it wants us to knit 1 and then slip 1 with the yarn in back. So knit 1 and then slip it purlwise while keeping the yarn in back. And we'll do it 6 times. So there's 1, 3, 4, and this should be our last one. Okay, and then we will knit 2, and purl 4, and we'll knit through our back loop again. So right back here, making the X. And we'll turn our work. And you can see our slip stitches coming. You want to make sure that those are nice and loose. They're like loose floats. Okay. So now we're on to row 3. And it says to hold the yarn in the back. Slip it purlwise. Purl 3. Okay, so now we are going to take our cable needle because it's telling us to, let's see, so we purled 3, so take our cable needle, and the cable is a 4-stitch right cable. So that means you're going to slip 2 onto your cable needle, hold it in the back of your work, and you're going to knit the next 2 stitches, leaving behind that cable needle. Okay, then let's go back to our cable needle and we're going to knit 2 from the cable needle. And that'll give you that right slanting cable. Ooh, my cable got stuck there. Okay, drop that. And then purl 1, knit 12. Purl 1, and time to cable again, and I'm going to bring my yarn back here because I know it's going to be a knit cable. So slip 1, 2, hold it in back, knit 2 from your left needle, bring that cable back here and knit from your cable. And notice I didn't turn the cable, I just knit straight off of it. Drop that. Then we're going to purl 3. And knit through the back loop. We'll do our 4th row. So we're going to slip with the yarn in front, and it's already in front for us. Knit 3. Purl 4. Excellent, so we're ready to slip with our yarn in back and then knit 1 6 times. So slip with the yarn staying in back, then knit, that's 1, 2, 6. Make sure we're on track here. And go back because I believe I did. We'll take a look at it. And here's how you read your stitches. So you can see here's your slip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's your 6th one. row 4. And we're on our last one, and knit through the back loop. All right, and that's the first repeat. There goes our cable needle, that's okay. All right, and that way you can kind of see how the pattern's going. We did our cabling, you learned how to slip with the yarn in front and back, and you are ready to do your first block. Thanks for knitting along with me. Be sure to check back in 3 weeks for block number 2 of the Cascade Knitterati Knit Along Kit. And for more tutorials like this, visit our YouTube channel.